Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Sophie is my name if it's your first time on this channel. In today's video I'm testing out new makeup products that I've just added onto my makeup collection. I have a couple of Rimmel London products and some Catrice products and Benefit, Inglot. So I'll be testing out all those things with you today to see if they work on my skin. So first up I have the Catrice Blastic, and I also have the Rimmel Match Perfect 24 hour moisture hydration. So this is a hydrating foundation and it also has SPF 15. I also have the Rimmel Fix and Go 2-in-1 primer and setting spray, and the Rimmel London Stay Matte pressed powder. Oh, and I also have this Makeup Revolution luxury powder, the banana powder. I don't know if this will work on my skin tone, but I'll put it to the test today. And the Benefit one is the roller liner, which I spoke about in my Discam Beauty Fair haul and Edgar's haul. This is what I have. And what else do I have? Oh, I forgot the MAC Retro Matte liquid lip color in the shade So Me. This is I think a very matte this is how the doffle applicator looks like. This is a very matte liquid lip color, so I will see if I will survive because my lips are way too dry to wear anything that is matte. I think this is all that I have for me right now. Oh, I also have the Inglot. I forgot about the Inglot. I have this olive green shimmer shade from Inglot. This is in the shade 49. I also have this two loose pigment. The other one is pink and the other one is like aqua, teal or silver, I'm not too sure. This is how the shades look like. So today I'll be using the green one, this olive green one, because these two I want to use them on a special video. I want to feature them. I have a couple of videos that I have in mind. So these two I will use them in my next videos. Yeah, and the sponge as well. This is the fiber sponge that I bought from Discam. I spoke about it as well in my mini haul that I just posted, I think a couple of days ago. So yeah, with that being said, let's just start with the video. Oh, the brows are already done because I don't have anything new for the brows. So my brows are done, and yeah, I've just used my Cabrow, the Benefit Cabrow, and I've used the Gimme Brow to set the brows. So that is it. So first up, this is how the plastic looks like. I'm going to do this. And my face, it's already cleansed, moisturized. I spoke about my skincare products on my mini haul. So if you want to know which skincare products I use, go check out that video. I will link it up here. Does it blur my pores? Just a little. Anyway, I'm thinking of starting with the eyes first before I do the face. So for my face, I'm just going to use my regular shades to apply as the transition, because I don't have anything new to use as a transition shade. So I'm gonna use my brush. This is the Eco Tools brush, and the shade that I'm using is this orange shade from Inglot. I'm going in with that olive green shade. Very nice green. And now I'm going to use this Inglot 512 shade for the outer V of the eye. I'm going to use this lighter shade to highlight my brow bow. So now I'm going to apply a little bit. I'm not going to do a winged eyeliner. I've never done that before, and I'm not going to start on camera. I like this eyeliner. Maybe with this eyeliner I will know how to do a winged eyeliner on camera. While I'm waiting for the lashes the glue on the lashes to dry, I'm going in with this, and this has a pump on it. I'm trying to cut this. This has a pump. Okay, let's see. Oh, and I'm in the shade 504 Deep Mocha. I'm just gonna pump it here. I hope this is not too deep or too dark. I hope this is not too dark for my skin. The sponge is like it's not working for me. I just need to dot the foundation on my skin. Then I'll go in with the brush. I'll go in with my Real Techniques brush. It's not a full coverage because my skin imperfections, they're still peeking through. I don't know if you can see here. The sun damage that I have here on my cheekbones, they're still peeking through. But I will leave it at that. But so far it's like I'm not wearing any foundation. This is like my skin, and I'm happy with the shade. It's not too dark. It matches with my neck. I thought this shade was going to be too deep, but because I don't have a new concealer, I just applied my regular concealer. So for now, I'm going to use this sponge to set a little bit my concealer with my MAC. mineralized skin finish before I put on that Revolution banana powder. I don't like the packaging, the way it is packaged. This is too small. It's not like the regular packaging that we are used to on the loose powders, where you can use the lid to pour in the powder. This is how the powder looks like. I'm just going to pat it on my hand to get rid of the excess powder. And now to set my face, I'm going in with this Rimmel London Stay Matte powder. It says it's a long-lasting pressed powder. And I'm going to just use my face brush and pat. So this is my face so far. I'm not happy with the banana powder because on a normal, I usually put my mineralized skin finish to set my concealer, and then I can put whatever powder I have. But this one is like it's I'm not sure whether it's the concealer that I've used, but I suspect it's the powder. It's not sitting so well. Well, moving right along, I'm just going to quickly bronze my face, see if I will fix this. I'm not sure if I'll be able to go out looking like this, especially under my eyes. I'm thinking of removing everything and starting afresh. Okay, I'm quickly going to do under the eye, and then so that we can wrap up with this video. Okay, I think I should just use this spray, see if it will help me fix this mess on my face. Cucumber scent in it, and this setting spray, well, it locks in makeup that we know it dries quickly and it's oil free, so you can use this as both a primer and a setting spray. So I hope it will help me with the mess that I just did right now. The products are not working for me. Can you see this mess on my face? Everything is coming off, especially under the eye area and the nose. I'm going to highlight my face with my Bobbi Brown Bronze Glow blush. I just mixed these two shades. Okay, now moving on to the lips. I'm going in with this MAC Retro Matte lip color, and to line my lips I'm going to use my LA Girl. Oh, before I line the lips, okay, I am done, guys. This is the look. I like the eyeshadow, the olive green eyeshadow that one, as you can see, it's a very shimmery eyeshadow. The foundation I like. The liner, this is like my new baby. What else did I use? The plastic, I love it. Has bled a little bit of my pores. I guess I must just use it more often to see. Maybe today I was overwhelmed. The powder I like. The only powder that I don't think I will ever use is the Revolution Luxury Banana Powder. That one is it has messed up my foundation or my makeup. I've never experienced something like this in my entire life. So that powder for me, it's a no-go. It's not something that I will use ever again. Because I've used other powders and I've used my MAC. I always use my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish as a powder to set my concealer. I never experienced something that I experienced today. So that one for me, I don't think I will use it. The foundation is, I give it 2 thumbs up, because even my daughter, as I was wearing the foundation, she was asking me if I'm done with the foundation, and I said yes, the foundation is on, and she was like, no, you are not wearing foundation. So foundation for me, I will use the eyeshadows. Obviously Inglot never disappoint. They've got they are one of the best brand that produces the best eyeshadows. So that one, it's 2 thumbs up for me. Benefit. So the powder, the Rimmel London powder as well, that one I will use, I think, once my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Pore and Matte, whatever that pressed powder is, when it's finished, I think this will replace that one. So of all the things that I have, okay, and the matte, the retro matte, I guess because I've used it with the prep and prime, that lip prep, I'm not feeling it to be too dry on my lips. So this is something that I will wear as well more often, because it feels good, it feels nice, as long as I have something, a lip balm before I apply that. So for me, I'm happy with the products. I think I will use them. Oh, the sponge, I'm not too sure, because even the sponge, it was not applying my foundation as well. So far, the only thing that I can say it's not for me is the Revolution loose powder. That one is a no-go for me. Oh, and the prep and prime, I like it because it has the cucumber scent in it. So, and remember I said I was going to remove the whole foundation and reapply and use my method instead of using that powder. I sprayed my face with this primer, the setting spray, and somehow it was able to assist, even though I used one of my powders, the MSL powder. I've used this powder as well to try and fix the problem. This is a mineral makeup powder from MS London. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and make sure that you click the notification bell as well, so that you get notified every time I make new uploads. And yeah, until my next video, bye.